Hi everyone, welcome to this video tutorial brought to you by NASA Graphics. Today I will be showing you how to download Pixellab Pro, unzip it and install it on your phone. So quickly let's dive into the tutorial. First of all, you need to download this Pixellab Pro, and this Pixellab is like it's have some features that the normal Pixellab that we know don't have. This Pixellab, it has inbuilt font in a very large category that you can use to design your projects. It has some extra stickers that you can use on your design. So if you want to download this Pixellab Pro, go to the description below. There's a link there, then you go by the link and download the Pixellab Pro. Follow the video tutorial carefully and unzip it and install it. So already I have this Pixellab Pro downloaded on my phone. So when you go by the link in the description, this is where the link will lead you to. This is where the link will lead you to Pixellab Pro. And so this is the Pixellab Pro here, and this is its password. So when you click here, you get a password. This is the password. Okay, when you click these three dots here like this, you will see download. You will see download. You see download here. Then you click on it. You click on download. Okay. So now as soon as you click download, it will download to your phone. So after that, you leave the page here and go to ZArchiver. This is the app that you're going to use to unzip it. You can get it from the Google Play Store. Okay, you go to ZArchiver. So as you can see, I have a lot of files here, so I'll search for it. Pixellab Pro. Pixellab Pro. Okay, you can see the Pixellab Pro is here, right before here like this. So this is the Pixellab Pro, the file that you downloaded. So what you need to do is to click on it. You can see here extract. So this is where you are going to extract it. Extract is the same as unzip. Okay, so during the extraction, you need to use the password. So you click on the image at where you downloaded the app. The password is there, so you view the password, then you click on extract, then you click on this arrow that is pointing down. You click on the arrow that is pointing down, this one. You click on it. You click on it. Then you will be required to enter the password. You will be required to enter the password. And to start downloading, you can see download successful. Okay, so just after extraction, you need to search for the extracted Pixellab Pro. So this is it right here. As you can see, this is it here. You can see. So all you need to do is to click on it. Then you see install right here, install. So click on install. Then they will ask you to update. Do you want to update? Click on it, like install. Then you see a message will pop up. Do you want to update this app? Then you click on update. Then it will start installing, and another message will pop up like this: app not installed as package conflict with an existing package. This means that you have installed a Pixellab, the normal Pixellab that we use. You have installed it on your phone, so it has conflict with this one. So this one will not install until you've deleted the first one. You've deleted any WhatsApp that any Pixellab that you've installed on your phone. You have to delete it before this Pixellab Pro can work. So right here, I'll go and delete my Pixellab. I'll go and uninstall it. Do you want to uninstall this app? Yes. But there's a Pixellab called Pixellab Gold. This one, it will not restrict the Pixellab Pro from downloading. Yes, this one right here, Pixellab Gold. It will not restrict Pixellab Pro from downloading. So as for Pixellab Gold, you can leave it. If you have it, you can leave it on your phone. But delete any other Pixellab you have before this Pixellab Pro can work. So after you have deleted this the normal Pixellab, go to the archiver and look for the extracted Pixellab Pro. Click on it, go to install. Then you want to install this app, install. Then it will start installing like this. To start installing app, you can see app install. Yes, app install here. So you can click on done. You can click on done or open, anyone you like. You can open the app from here, or if you choose to go to your home page. So when you open Pixellab Pro, this is how the interface looks like. So allow Pixellab to access photo, videos, music, audio, and other files on this device. Allow. Okay, so this is the interface. You can see it has already designed templates. Then you can be able to edit to your taste. Yes, and when we go to the font aspect, it has so many inbuilt fonts that you can use on your project. It has so many inbuilt fonts that you can use on your project. So another feature is that it has stickers. It has extra stickers that you can use on your design. As you can see, these are stickers that you can use. Stickers like this: authentic, certified. Another sticker is exclusive. You can see them right here. Quality, yes. Approved. These are all stickers that you can use on your design. There are more stickers here. Badges, you can see badges, banners, flare effects like this. You can use on your design. Flare effects, lightning effect, all of them are right here. You can use on your design. Okay, yeah. Another amazing feature is that as soon as you install this Pixellab Pro, it will display your works, the works that you've saved in your phone using Pixellab. It will display them, even though this is not the Pixellab you use to design the works or design the project. This one will automatically show them and display them for you to work on. So that is all. Downloading, extracting, installing is very simple. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial till the end. See you next time.